love capturing moments on your Android phone? If so, your photo collection may be growing fast. To prevent losing them, backing up your photos is a must. Here are 7 easy ways to back up your Android photos. Way 1. Back up photos in Android with Google Photos. Open Google Photos and sign in. Go to Settings, Backup and Sync and toggle it on. Adjust settings and check the backup status at the top. Way 2. Backup photos on Android to PC via Android Backup and Restore Specialize. Many prefer backing up Android photos to a computer for extra storage and security. Mobican Backup Manager for Android makes it easy to back up or restore data between Android and PC or Mac, helping recover lost files. Step 1. Connect Android to a computer. Download and install this Android Backup and Restore program on your computer. Launch it and connect your phone to the same computer via USB. Please note that you should enable USB debugging on your device so that the program can detect your phone. Step 2. Select the photos to backup. Once you get your Android device successfully connected, click Backup from the main interface and you will see different data types displayed. Step 3. Start the backup. Tick off the file types that you wish to backup. Click Browser to specify a location for saving these output photos, and then click Backup to begin the Android Photos backup process. Way 3. Backup images on Android to PC via Assistant for Android. Mobican Assistant for Android offers versatile Android backup options, allowing selective or complete backups. Beyond backups, it serves as a powerful management tool for contacts, messages, videos, photos, call logs, and more. Step 1. Launch the software and then connect your device to the computer via USB cable or Wi-Fi. If you choose to connect via Wi-Fi, you need to download the app version on your device and go with the prompts to build a Wi-Fi connection. Step 2. After the connection, the program will detect the connected Android phone automatically, and then you will get the following interface. Step 3. Choose Photos on the left side menu. Preview and choose the photos you want to back up. Finally, click Export from the top menu and then select a location to save the exported photos for data management or preservation. The program also allows you to transfer Android photos to a computer in one click. If you wish to copy all pictures from your Android phone to computer, you can click the Super Toolkit to enter the one-click backup and restore window. Way 4. Backup photo app for Android using OneDrive. Install OneDrive from the Google Play Store and sign in. Tap your profile settings Camera Upload. Toggle Camera Upload on and select additional folders to back up. Way 5. Backup image of Android phone to PC by copy and paste. Connect your Android phone to a computer with USB and then turn on USB debugging on your device. Swipe down the phone screen and then tap on Transfer Files in the notification bar. Double-click on this PC on your computer and then tap on your mobile phone. Now just find out the folder or images that you want to transfer, and then right-click the mouse to copy them. Go to the folder that you want to save the selected photos and right-click the mouse to paste them. Way 6. Backup pictures on Android by Dropbox. Install and sign into Dropbox. Tap Files, Photos, and select the photos to back up. Tap Upload, choose a folder, and upload. Verify the upload in your Dropbox account. Way 7. Backup Android photos to SD card. Insert the SD card and open the Gallery or Photos app. Select Photos to back up. Tap the menu Move or Copy and choose the SD card. Select or create a folder, then tap Move or Copy.